Do you try to not eat in front of others? Does it make you uncomfortable or self-conscious? This could be a sign of something deeper going on. It may be a sign you've had a ton of judgment around food and what you should or shouldn't eat. You may feel compelled to overdo it every time you eat, looking at your food as a source of comfort. You may not eat very much in front of others and then overcompensate for that lack of food once you get home. It's not your fault. It's diet culture. Diet culture tells you that you must be a certain size to be accepted, valued, and loved. And the truth is that the average runway model, diet culture standard of perfection, is 5'11" and weighs about 117 pounds, while the average American woman is closer to 5'4" and about 165 pounds. That means for, 95% of us, that body type is unachievable. You've been set up to fail. It's time to learn how to be comfortable in your body and feel safe around food. I'm Holly Toscanini, a certified health coach and recovering chronic dieter. I coach women who are ready to walk away from diet culture and redefine their relationship with food while at the same time establishing a peaceful relationship with their bodies. Does this sound like something that might be for you? If so, I'm glad you're here. You see, this non-diet approach to health is important because it allows you to stop wasting your precious time and energy trying to change yourself to fit into some unrealistic ideal of beauty. Plus, and maybe more importantly, it speaks to your underlying desire to feel valued and worthy just as you are. Ready to learn more? Click the link in my bio to schedule a free discovery call to see if we're a good fit to work together. Let's get your life back from diet culture.